After having adopted Kongthong village in August 2020, Rajya Sabha MP Professor Rakesh Sinha vowed to not only bring development to the area but also to look into the safety and well-being of women folk of the village. In this regard, Professor Sinha, through the Seva Bharati Meghalaya East Khasi Hills unit, had also distributed sanitary pads to women of Kongthong village.
All these things are now coming from outside. Now we will involve with the people and try to create sustainable development here. Their sustainable development by engaging the common people of Kongthong, so that there would be employment, income generation, they would not depend for livelihood outside forces. So we will make it a republic. We will make it a republic, a self-sustained, self-reliant and confident people with a great cultural heritage it has. You know, charity begins from home. So I can't speak about others. Nobody has invited me Kongthong, I came myself. And whatever I am doing, because sentimentally I am attached to the common people, whether Kongthong or Paripura, I think on the resources of the nation, each and every Indian has equal rights and equal opportunity to go to the villages, adopt village, make it an ideal village with the inspiration of the Prime Minister. I adopted 2 villages, and times to come I would adopt more villages, and I am declaring here. Next time I am going to Arunachal, there is a place Enemy where 5,000 tribes live, and average suicide, unreported suicide is more than hundreds every year. So my objective is to go to those tribes, live with them, bring other peoples without intervening in their culture, custom and tradition, improve their life, counsel them. So here also, I believe that anyone who comes to help, he should not enforce his own religion and language. The dialect, language, culture, tradition must be protected progressively.
Well, that's all we have for you in this edition of the Media Plus Daily News. Till we meet again, please check us on YouTube at Media Plus Shillong. Till then, it's bye-bye and take care.